I have a beautiful house tour I want to share with you. And the community is a brand new community by Pulte Homes, and it's in Waxhaw, North Carolina. If you're not familiar with Waxhaw, go ahead and watch this video right here because it goes into depth about where Waxhaw is, what it has to offer. But a quick synopsis of Waxhaw. Amazing Charlotte suburb, one of the top ones, amazing schools, and not a far commute into uptown Charlotte. Now, I have this home, it's a continental floor plan, and it can go anywhere from 4 to 6 bedrooms. Let's look at this floor plan before we see the actual home. Now, this home is just over 2,800 square feet. On the first level, you come in, you have a foyer, you have a dining room, a 2-car garage with additional storage. Now, again, you can configure this a little differently to where you can add additional bedrooms. And then you have what Pulte designs in a lot of their floor plans, a computer nook area right here. And then it opens up to your open living room, kitchen, and dining area. Also downstairs, you have a bathroom and a flex room, which a lot of people use as an office, but you can, again, configure that as a bedroom and turn this half bathroom into a full bathroom. Now, when you go to the second floor, you have 4 bedrooms. You have a Jack and Jill bedroom on one side of the home, and then you have the primary suite with 2 walk-in closets, and then you have a 4th bedroom that has an ensuite as well as a loft. And in the model I'm going to show you, you have a deck on the second level. And in certain homes in this community, it's rare, but you do have a basement option for this continental floor plan. If you're looking to move to or within the greater Charlotte area and you're looking at new construction, be sure to reach out to me. My info is on the screen. And before we go look at this floor plan, forgive me, I just rambled on and I didn't tell you who I was. Those of you who are new to the channel, I am Sir Ashley Harrison, your real estate advisor, and I've helped over 1,000 families move to or within the greater Charlotte area, whether that's buying, selling, or investing. And I've been in real estate as a real estate attorney, as an investor, as a team leader, as an agent, all facets of it. And I'm here to help you be your advisor when you're buying or selling homes, especially new construction. Now we're gonna go inside, look at this home, and I'm gonna point out different things about the home, but I'm also gonna share with you the incentives that are presently available in this community during the grand opening. Let's go. Again, this is the continental floor plan, 2-car garage, just over 2,800 square feet. That's not including a basement. If you add a basement, it's going to be significantly larger. And as you see, this model has a 2nd-story deck in the front. You do have a porch big enough for a large swing. This is your foyer area. You have a dedicated dining room area. Now, let me tell you about this community and why I like it so much. Well, one, right now, because it's the grand opening, they have special incentives. The incentives for this community in Waxhaw is you get very good interest rate incentives. For a limited time offer, according to their website, they're offering 3-2-1 buy downs. So for the first year, your interest rate is 1.99%, second year 2.99%, and then years 3 through 7, 3.99%. Now let's look at the finishes in the kitchen. Beautiful herringbone subway tiles. You have the gas range, a vented hood. This is the pantry. Nice size pantry for storage. And this island. Let me know what you think of this island. It's 2-tone. The island color is different from the other cabinets. And you did have a deluxe kitchen package in here with the built-in ovens as well as the gas range. You have an option to have a fireplace. Let's take a look outside. You have a covered lanai, but then you can get creative with the rest of your exterior space. Again, being in Waxhaw, you get a little bit more space, or you get more space than you would if you were in Charlotte proper. You have an eating area in the kitchen, or in this great room area. Now let's go back. You have a half bathroom right here that can be configured into a full bathroom if you make that an option. And you have this flex room, which they're using as an office, but you can configure it into a bedroom. I like this floor plan because of the versatility. I also like this floor plan because of the storage. You have storage underneath the stairway right there. As we go upstairs, you have a large loft. And we're about to go look at the covered deck. There's something about sitting outside on your covered deck or porch here in the Carolinas. It's absolutely, especially right now, this time of year where it's not too hot, it's not too cold. Put on a sweatshirt, put on a blanket, and just relax. Here you have bedroom number 1. It is a Jack and Jill bedroom. Again, it's bedroom number 1 because you have the flex space downstairs, but that flex space downstairs could be bedroom number 1. Now this setup is actually quite conducive for kids. Bedroom number 2. You do have a walk-in closet. That's a laundry room. We will check that out in a second. We're about to go into bedroom number 3, and this bedroom actually has an ensuite. So for the oldest child, they can have their own private space, own bathroom, right connected to their bedroom. And now we're about to go look at the laundry room as well as the primary suite. Let me know your thoughts. What do you like or dislike about this floor plan? And if you're familiar with the area, what do you like or dislike about Waxhaw? Leave it in the comment section. I would love to hear your feedback. Now this one, they opted to put a utility sink here in the laundry room. That is an additional option and an upgrade. Now looking at the primary suite, it's a nice size room, semi-coffer ceilings. You have the tray. This is a king size bed. More than enough space for a king size bed and oversized furniture. And what I like about this primary ensuite is this tile shower with the transom window, and you have 2 walk-in closets as well as the water closet. Pricing in this community starts off in the mid $400,000 range. You heard that correctly. Pricing in this community starts off in the mid $400,000 range. Reach out to me. I would love to be able to represent you and help you decide where is perfect in the greater Charlotte area for you and your family to call home. I'm Sir Ashley, your real estate advisor. Talk to you soon.